How to fix Chase mobile app not working. Let's get started. Launch your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of general, open this option iPhone storage. Now from here find the app Chase. Once you find it, open it. The very first thing you want to do is clear the cache for the app. So click on this option of Upload app, click on Upload app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Open your app store. Now search for the app Chase. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards last solution, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app Chase, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. After you delete this app, open your app store, search for the app Chase and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Chase mobile app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.